Hi everyone, welcome to Learning Management System, Department of Collegiate and Technical Education. I'm going to take class for the Diploma Electrical and Electronics branch students. The subject is Electrical Estimation and Costing. The subject code is 15EE54T and the topic is the devices used in 100 kVA distribution transformer station and their approximate cost. Now let us prepare the estimate of cost for installation of 100 kVA 11 kV bar 415 volts distribution transformer station. The first item here is 11 kV class 200 amps single break GOS. So GOS is a gang operating switch. It comprises of three switches, one for each phase, totally three numbers of switches operated collectively. Hence the name is gang operating switch. In short form, we are going to call GOS. As it has many elements, the unit will be in set. So the quantity required is one set. The rate is 8,000 and also the cost is 8,000 because quantity required is one set. Second item, TC structure, transformer centering structure. It is the structure upon which the transformer is going to be mounted. It consists of two numbers of 8-meter long RCC poles with braces, cross arms, pole clamps, bolt and nuts, etc. And the unit will be in set. The quantity required is one set. The rate is 26,439. Also, the cost is 26,439. Next quantity or item is horn gap fuse. As you know, fuse is a protective device. Whenever overcurrent comes, the fuse will blown out. So here is Hg Fuse. The unit is number. Quantity is three numbers, one for each phase. The rate is 1000 per each. So hence cost is 3000. Next item is 11 kV closed lightning arrestor. So it protects the transformer from the lightning. So hence the name is lightning arrestor. The unit is in number. Quantity required three numbers, one for each phase. The rate per each unit is 1250. Total cost is 3750. Next item is 45 kilonewton disc insulator. This is also one for each. The unit is number. Quantity required is three numbers. Rate per each unit is 164, and for total three number, the cost is 492. Next, 11 kV class pin insulator with pin and nut. Unit is number. Quantity three numbers. 100 rupees rate per each unit. So hence the cost is 300. The seventh item required is 11 kV class guy set with accessories. Guy sets relieves the tension strain of the pole due to stringing of conductor. It consists of stay wire, stay rod, stay tightener, stay plate, etc. So unit will be in set. Quantity required is 4 sets and the rate for per set is 830 and the total cost is 3320. Next, eighth item is die concreting materials for the above die set. The unit is in set. Quantity required is 4 sets. Rate per set is 250. The total cost is 1000. Next, ninth item is pipe earthing with 50 mm dia GI pipe with 2.5 meter long of 3 mm thickness with accessories, etc. And the unit will be in set. quantity required is 3 sets. 1500 is the rate per set, and the total cost for 3 sets is 4500. The 10th item is the transformer. The rating of the transformer is 100 kVA, 11 kV bar, 433 volts, 3 phase 50 Hz with ON/AN cooling and OLTC tap changing. The unit required is one number, quantity is one number, rate is 1,55,931 and the cost is 1,55,931. Next 11th item is the transformer distribution box with load break switches and arrangement for double feeder. The unit is in set. The quantity required is one set. The rate per set is 8,000 and the total cost is 8,000. So next 12th item is number 2 ACSR conductor. So that is Weasel 6 bar 1 bar 2.59. So here 6 represents 6 numbers aluminum conductor, 1 represents steel conductor, and both steel and aluminum conductors dia is 2.59 mm. These are the conductors which are connected on HV sides. So unit is kilometer, quantity is 25 meter, and the rate is 12,900. For 25 meter, the cost is 322.50. Next, 13th item is 70 square mm aluminum PVC cable of 1.1 kV grade from transformer to Lte distribution box. The unit is in meter. The quantity required 12 meters. Rate per meter is 220 and the cost is 2640. Here the item is 50 square mm aluminum PVC insulated 1.1 kV voltage grade for outgoing neutral on Lte sides. The unit is in meter, quantity required is 16 meter and the rate per meter is 167 and the cost is 2672. Next 15th item is 25 mm dia PVC pipe of 2 mm thickness, length of 3 meter. The quantity required is 12 meter. The rate is rupees 60 per length and the cost is 240 rupees. Next item is AC and DB. AC is the anti-climbing device and DB is the danger board. Unit lump sum and the cost is 300 rupees. Next item is Lte Protection Kit. It is the kit consisting of load break switches, MCCBs or fuses collectively taken as a set. The unit is in set. The quantity required is one set. The rate per set is 2000 and the cost is also rupees 2000 per set. Next item is Lte wiring kit for the above protection unit. The unit is in set, quantity is one set, the rate per set is 9000 and the cost is also 9000 rupees. Next, miscellaneous materials, anything left out materials. So that is lump sum and the cost is rupees 500. And the next item is transportation and stock incidental charges at 5%. So 5% on the total material cost is rupees 12,348. Next item is labor charges. The first one is fixing of TC structure. The unit is in lump sum. Cost is 2000. Next, providing GI pipe earthing. So that is unit is in set. Quantity 3 sets. Rate is 500 per set. And the total cost is 1500. Next, to fixing of lightning arresters. Unit is in number. Quantity is 3 numbers. Rate per each is 100 and the cost is rupees 300. Next item is fixing the AC device and danger board. Unit is in set. Quantity is 1 set. Rate per set is 300 and the cost is rupees 300. Next item is erection of 100 kVA distribution transformer. Unit is in number. Quantity is 1 number. Rate per each 2000 and the cost is rupees 2000. Next is fixing of Lte distribution box for the transformer and wiring the cables from transformer and into the feeders. So the unit is in lump sum and the cost is 1000. Next item is fixing of gang operating switch. So that is taken as rupees 500 cost. Next is fixing of on gap fuse. Cost is 100. Fixing of Lte kit. Cost is rupees 250. Next is miscellaneous labor, rupees 300. Add contingencies for unforeseen items and price variation at 5% on total material cost and the labor cost. Including all this, we get the grand total. So that is 2,80,930 only. The reference books are as follows. First one is Estimation and Specification by Gangadhar Rao. Second one is Estimation and Specification by Raghunath Rao. Third one is Estimation and Specification by Raghavendra Rao. Next one is Electrical Estimation and Costing by H. Shivaga Nayak and M. N. Padavar. It is the team responsible for e-content development. Thank you for being with us. Please write to us your suggestion about content tools and format etc. to lms.dtek@gmail.com. Thank you. Let us meet again in the next session.